Hey kiddos, good morning. Okay, so if you get stuck, I want you to watch this video because I'm going to walk through again what you're going to get done today, okay? So just a reminder, remember this is your assignment list. So today you have reading, your Schoology reading course, Thursday reading long vowels. So let's go ahead and let's find where that's at. So if you go to your courses and you go to the reading course, you're going to see where it says Thursday reading long vowels. Now, if you were absent and you forgot to do one of the assignments from earlier this week, you can also get that done today too, okay? So that's the first thing for reading, and then you need to go to your My Book. In your My Book, you're going to be doing page 155, questions 1 through 3. Now, we already read this poem, so you need to do those questions all by yourself. Now, when you finish, I'll check it later in the week, like when you come back on Monday, but you also can always send me a picture of it on Dojo. So remember where your Dojo's at, your portfolio? When you go to your Clever page, it's right here. And then your Dojo page looks like this. And you could take a photo and you could take a picture of your book. Okay? So that's just an idea. So that's what you need to do for reading today. You need to make sure you get done your long vowels and your My Book. Now, language arts is going to be in Schoology again. So let's go back to Schoology and let's go to the language arts course. It's orange. Once you're there, you're going to see where it says what you're working on today. And if you just forgot, you can always go back and look. It's called common and proper nouns. So this is what it is. Now, if you forgot to do one of these other ones from Tuesday or Wednesday, you can go back and get that done as well. Okay? Now we're ready for math. Now math today, you're going to go to your Schoology course to start, and it's the math. And this one is counting by 2s and 3s. That's what the assignment is today. We've been practicing counting by 2s and 3s, and we're working on 4s. If you didn't get your exit ticket done yesterday, you also can work on that. Once you're done with that math assignment on Schoology, you're going to go to your math modules 1 and 2 book, and you're going to turn to page 65, and it's actually the homework from lesson 15. Now remember, I always give you a good tip. If you forgot how to do something, look at the problem set. We did the problem set all together, and the homework is just like the problem set. So that will help you figure that out. Again, you can take a picture of it and post it on your Dojo portfolio. How do you do that? Well, you go to your Dojo or you go to your Clever page, click on Dojo portfolio, and then you can take a photo and you can upload it for me. Okay? And the very last thing is science. So you're going to go to your Schoology science course and you're going to watch a video today. The video is here and it's called the Rocks video. You're going to watch this video, and after you watch it, you're going to write down one new thing you learned. So the video should be right here, and then you can type right here. Make sure you use a complete sentence, okay? I can't wait to see all the good work you get done today. If you forget what to do, come back to this list, and it will give you a good clue of how you need to and what you need to get done today, of how you do it and what you need to get done today, okay? I miss you all, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye, everybody.